the next one here, it says for the square root of -1 equal to I, and for certain real numbers a and b, the equation 10 minus I plus 8 plus 6i is a plus bi is true. What is the value of ab? Okay, let's go ahead and simplify this. 10 minus I plus 8 plus 6i. Let's group common terms together. 10 plus 8 minus I plus 6i. 18 plus 5i. So this is going to be a plus bi. So a is 18, b is 5. Now it's asking us for the value of ab, which is 18 multiplied by 5, 90. Okay, the next one here, this is a very interesting question here. It says in the figure below, AB is parallel to CE. All right. ABF is 30. The lines AGBFC intersect at D. If it can be determined, what is the measure of angle ADC? So if I look at this is 30 right here. This is going to be 30. So in order for us to get this angle, we need to know what this is right here. And you can see here that we don't really have enough information to get us to a point where we can even find the value of this angle or even a value for D. If we had a value for D, it'll probably be easier to figure out what this missing angle is going to be. So I'm going to say here that we do not have enough information to get that value. Which